Hey everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday, the 29th of May, 2021. And this is the weekly technical analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the first week of June. Let's begin with spot gold. And you can see that it has continued its bullish momentum from the previous week and crossed over the 1900 level. And it's approaching a key level at 1920.70, which is actually a previous all-time high for the current one at 2075. There was a previous one set in 2011, and that's the 1920.70 level. So it's moving closer and it's within reach for next week. Let's see if it's able to hit that and before it makes any significant pullback. Let's also, we can also move this fib here, which we use from the start of the year. We can move that to the all-time high, and we are approaching the 62 fib retracement, which is basically just above the previous all-time high. So that's the 1923 level. All right. So it has crossed over the 50% retracement of the this swing move here from the highs of last year down to the low of this year so far. All right. And let's also mark an intermediate support here at the 50 fib. Can shift this slightly. There will be new monthly pivot, and of course next week's new weekly pivot levels as well. So the monthly pivot is likely going to move up quite a bit, and for the month, you can see how far it is from the monthly pivot. It has already moved over 1,400 pips for the month. All right, so it's still in a bullish mode, and we'll see if it's going to consolidate. There's an interim high that needs to break to reach the 1920 and also the 62 fib area. But yeah, there should be strong support from the 50 fib. Let's also take a look at the US dollar index, the DXY, where it's struggling to recover. It dipped lower at the start of the week and didn't hit the 138 fib extension, so managed to bounce up on the Wednesday, recovered, tried to recover all the way to test this resistance level, but pull back lower, back to the 90 round figure. So it really needs to break out higher through this resistance zone where the daily 55 is coming down as well in order to make a significant recovery. But so far it seems to be consolidating for most of the time and staying above water here. All right, we'll see if it's able to find further support next week with a slew of US news coming up after the holiday on Monday, Memorial Day. But the main fundamental driver will be the non-farm payroll report on Friday, which will impact all the major pairs as well. All right, let's switch over to dollar yen, where it has also turned bullish in the second half of the week and climbed back up to hit the 110 resistance level, pull back a bit after that on the Friday, but it did cross over and hit the 110.20. So this is interesting, where towards the end of the month there could be some selling of the Japanese yen. So support was from the daily 55 EMA on the Tuesday, and then climb very bullish for the second half. Right, we can also move this now to support level. It's at the 21 fib retracement area. So let's mark this as support now. And also this trend line, we may be able to lower this trend line, showing these 2 points. So, and now it looks like it's possibly moving in a bullish channel. So we'll see if that's the case. We did anticipate this, but we're not sure whether it's able to climb up higher. So for now, it's a bullish channel here. We'll all right. So we'll see next week if it's able to find support from the above 109 and continue to creep up higher through the 110 and into the new month as well. All right, so same exposure to the US news, and with Friday's non-farm payroll, where it will impact the dollar yen significantly as well, if there are any major triggers for that night. All right, so do check out my other videos on the other major pairs and Ichimoku analysis. Have a safe week and a good trading week, and cheers for now.